Hi everyone, Liz here. Thanks for stopping by. So I've just had this huge box delivered. I know it says Amazon, but it's not from Amazon. I believe it's a Happy Mail package. So I'm going to open it on camera as always, and let's see what we got and we can share it together. So, it's a bit rocky. It's, I'm opening it upside down as well because all the address details are on the front. And I don't want to be giving out address details. And let's see. Oh, look at that. Oh, wow. Oh, my goodness. Oh, wow. Okay, let me move this out the way and we'll have a look. So, wow, look at this. We've got a little Happy Mail package for Millie as well. She's got an avocado. Oh, look how happy that looks. You might not look quite that happy when Millie sees you. But anyway, right. Oh, well, thank you. Let's open the card and see who they're from. I'll put those out the way. Actually, what I might do is wrap those up, put them in some of the little bags and seal it up, and then let Millie open them herself, and I'll film it, and then you can see her opening a present. Oh wow, let's see who this is from. Okay, oh look, it's a snowman, and it's a very happy snowman. Oh, that's lovely, a diamond painted Christmas card. So let's see. To Liz and Millie, I know this Christmas will be hard for you both, but no, I will be thinking of you. Cherish your moments and spend time with family. Sending you both lots of love and hugs, Paula and Rocco. Rocco is Paula's little Jack Russell naughty terrier puppy. Yeah, sadly she did lose her little woof earlier in the year, and then she got Rocco, and he's gorgeous. And if you watch Paula's YouTube channel, you'll see little clips of Rocco and him growing up and how naughty he is. He's a naughty puppy, but he's beautiful and lovely. Okay, oh my goodness, Paula, what have you sent me? Thank you. And a huge thank you from Millie as well. Oh, I think I'm going to need my knife for this. Sellotape. Oh wow, this is fantastic. I have been so lucky this Christmas. Thank you everybody that sent me parcels. It really does mean a lot. It really is wonderful. Wow, oh my goodness. Oh, wow. Thank you. Okay, so look at all these trays. Oh, I love a good tray. So who are these? Diamond Art Club. Oh my goodness. Wow. So they slide out and then, the Diamond Art Club have the little stoppers that actually slot in. I've not actually seen these. I do try and stay away from the Diamond Art Club website if I'm honest, because I could spend an absolute fortune. And now they've finally caught up on the special drill projects and things, not just enormous canvases. Then there is some fantastic stuff on there. I did get some last year, which I've still not done. But anyway, I will do. But yeah, look, we've got pink. And I love the fact that you've sent me a blue one as well. Yeah, Paula is a blue lady and I'm a pink lady. So she sent me plenty of pink. But yeah, she had to include a blue one as well. So with that lovely blue colour, wow. Do you get these in the kits now then, or do you buy these separately? You'll have to let me know. Two lovely yellow colours. That's a nice sunny yellow. If our advent calendar from Disney had that yellow on, it might look a bit nicer. And then we've got 3 of like the purpley pink. Wow, look at those. And then 3 of the pink. 4 of the pinks. And they stack. And there's enough room to put your number on these. So if you're doing a diamond painting and you like to kit up into your trays separately, you could put a number on each one. I would love to have one of these really big systems where you have the 447 colours all in a tray in a little stand. A, I don't have the room, and B, which is most important, I am far too clumsy. If you saw when I was doing my Christmas cards, I managed to knock over my little tub, my little case with all those gems in, and they all went everywhere. Well, not all of them, but a lot of them went everywhere. So yeah, you can imagine if I had a you can imagine if I had a great big case, yeah, they would just go absolutely everywhere. I can imagine myself just walking into it and knocking it off wherever it was, even if it was stuck to the wall, you know. I'm that clumsy. But yeah, these are fantastic. I will definitely get some use out of these, and they're such a nice quality as well. They feel really lovely. So yay, I'm gonna have to go and have a look on Diamond Art Club website, aren't I? Oh, look at those. Right, goodness me. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So I've got 10 trays. That's wonderful. Thank you so much. So I've gone ahead and taken them out of the packet so that we've not got all the crinkling. And look at that holographic. Right, so look at this. That's fantastic. Oh, I love it. Paula does make these little pens. So Paula, put a link to your wherever you sell them in our Facebook group, and I'll share it for you as well. But yeah, look at that. So right in time for Valentine's Day next year if you're looking for gifts. But yeah, I've never seen any of these before, where it wraps around the top of a pen. And then we've got a beautiful hot pink pearl with a lovely crystal there, and all crystal around the middle there, look, little ring. And then it's hot pink. Oh, and it's a proper pen as well. Yes, oh, we like having pens. And we're a black pen, which is excellent. So if we're filling in official forms, we have a black pen. So I'll definitely be using that one. But that's a really nice smooth movement on that as well. So tactile and so wonderful. I love it when people make things. Oh, that is great. Brilliant. You are clever, Paula. That's lovely. And then this one. Oh, it's ladybirds. Oh, look at that. We've got a tulip on the top, look. And like a big daisy or poppy there. And then it's all little ladybirds, look, flying round. Oh, that's fantastic. Yeah, I do talk about ladybirds a lot. And yeah, another pen. And is this a blue one or is this a black one? Oh, this is a black one as well. Yay. Actually, I don't know. Do you still need to fill official forms in with black pen? I just always do. Because it always used to be that you couldn't photocopy blue ink properly. But I don't suppose anybody photocopies anything anymore. It'll all scan, won't it? So I don't suppose it makes much difference. But they are absolutely fabulous. What a fantastic thing to do and send me and think of me. And yeah, that is really thoughtful. So me, hot pink and gonks and ladybirds, particularly at this time of year. Yeah, I ought to hang that up actually as a decoration on my Christmas tree, hadn't I? Okay, right. And then this. Wow, it's a Craft Buddy Crystal Art wooden decoration. And you know I love my Craft Buddy. So goodness me, thank you so much. I've not got this one, I've not had this one. And we've got our little hummingbirds on the front. And it's home. Home is where the heart is. Look at that. Right, let me just stack those up a minute and we'll get into this box and have a look. I am so lucky. I have some fantastic friends that I have met through diamond painting, through YouTube. And oh, look at that. Do you know this is really heavy? It's a real substantial piece. Wow. Okay, let's get it out and have a look. It's like Christmas. In fact, really, December has been Christmas every day, hasn't it? So, oh, and we've got two. So it's 15 different gems and colours. looks like we've got 2 crystals, because they're the ones at the end with the zeros. And I can't see any ABs or special shapes, but that's okay. And then it tells you there the actual picture area, and that tells you where you're going to be putting your gems. So excellent. Oh, look at those. Oh, and it's got hot pinks in it. Can't think why Paula's sent me this with hot pink. I really don't know. We've got our instructions, look, telling us how to do it. Oh yes, so oh gosh, this is really comprehensive instructions. Wow. Okay, so oh my goodness, it's 3D. Wow. So we've got our huge MDF home sign. As I say, there is a lot of weight to this. I don't think Command Strips would put this on the wall, so it will definitely have to stand pride of place somewhere when it's done. We're going to be diamond painting all our letters and our little house, and then all the flowers here, and then we have the separate little piece that are all die cut and ready to push out. And we've got the 2 hummingbirds, which are absolutely gorgeous. We've got the little heart, which is going to go on the front of the house, so that will stand out. And we've got a little butterfly. So where does the butterfly go then? Let's look at the instructions. Oh, right. Oh, it's there. I told you my eyesight's bad. Yeah, you can see the little outline of the butterfly there and the outline of the birds. So yeah, it does actually sort of like say, it's here. Look, Liz, it's here. And we've got 2 little blocks that were diamond paint. So what are you? Where do you go? Oh, they're for the roof. Oh my goodness, they've thought of everything on this. Wow, I'm just thinking, oh well, but yeah, you're actually going to put these on the roof, look. So the little house has got a roof. Oh, that's excellent. I think if you're going to have the roof diamond painted though, I'm going to have to put some magic glue here and put some gems on the top of the letters as well, because you can't just have a sparkly roof, you might as well do the whole thing. Oh, this is fantastic, thank you. Oh, I look forward to doing this. And it's not a huge piece to do. It's one of those that are probably a couple of evenings or even one evening you can just sit and do this. I would suggest sealing it before you put it all together, because if you're anything like me and you've got pets and things, then you can get little hairs and dust and bits and pieces floating around. So you don't want them sticking to your little project that you've done. And it does happen, I have to say. Yeah. So this is fantastic. I was thinking they were to stick the birds on, but they're not, are they? They're actually the roof. Right, let's have a look at these 15 crystals. Wow, look at that colour palette. But it is flowers and hummingbirds, so it's always going to be pretty. So we've got 2 lavender lilac colours there, a paler one and a darker one. We've got a red wine colour. Yes, it's Christmas, red wine. We've got a deep sagey green, a hot pink, a bubblegum pink and a pale pink. Just look at that hot pink, yes. And a red and a green and a beigey colour that's got some greens in it. Look, we've been having a party. And then a darker green. Oh, these greens have just got everywhere, look. They've gone into the beige and now they've gone into the rusty colour at that side. And some white, which I might just change out for some ABs. It depends what they're on. It might look okay with ABs, but we'll see. And then we've got 2 crystals at the end, which are the blue and the gold. And you do have all the DMC numbers and crystal numbers with Craft Buddy as well. So if you do keep your gems, you can kit them down and corral them all into the proper places. Wow, this has been fantastic. I know it was a big box, but goodness, I never expected this much to be in it. It's so lovely of you, Paula. Thank you so much, and thank you for thinking of me, and thank you for making things for me as well. How lucky am I? This is from Paula and Rocco. 2 little parcels for you. Aren't you lucky? Oh, you're getting in the box. Which one do we want first? Have we found the food? I think we've found the food first. Yeah, are we having that one first? Yeah, okay, we're getting in the box. Right. Go on, it's yours, you can get it out. Never mind watching telly. How are you going to get this then? Oh, we've got it, We worked it out. Right. So, what's in that one? Oh, watch your teeth. Yeah, let's do the paper shredding thing. Bit of paper shredding there. And get the old foot on it and let's have a look. Have we got the sellotape off? So what's that one? Oh, Millie Moo, you are funny. Oh, gosh. It's taking some getting into. Nope. Oh, was that not food? We decided we didn't want that one, so we'll come back to this one. This one could be food then. Right. Okay. Yeah, this one's the food. This is the one we want. We're going to get this one. Yeah, since we've been on these steroids, we're just not quite as toy orientated as we were. And we can smell food a mile off. We can also hear the fridge door from 3 miles away as well. Let's see what you got. He's stuck. Let's do that then. There you are. Let's take that sellotape off. We don't want it sticking on your teeth, do we? Oops. Oh, now it's sticking on me. Right, there you are. That's better. Try again. Oh, sweetheart, is it getting your teeth? Wow! Oh, wow, look at those. What have you got? Oh, no, we like the box. Yeah, wait, yeah, we're going to just check the packet and check the box. And now we're going to come back to this packet because, yeah, this looks really interesting. Right, can I have this one now then? Because I know you can open these and I know you'll be opening them. But we'll get you one out and you can have... Look at that little face, sat waiting. Okay, just a second. There you are then. You can have half at a time. Yeah, we always, with rodeos, we always untangle them so that she gets 2 treats. Because otherwise, at the moment, she would just literally eat everything. In fact, she'd probably eat the whole packet if I let her. But yeah, so thank you, Paula. Say thank you, Paula. That's absolutely amazing. And we love it. Does he squeak? Sorry to anybody that's got dogs. No, you see, this is unfortunately what we have to deal with. She's very food orientated. All right, last one. And then this is your treats for the day. Thank you very much. Thank you, Paula. Thank you from me and Millie. Our presents are absolutely gorgeous. And yeah, the old Millie Moo would have had that savaged, but unfortunately the steroids are making her eat. So the food was a really good choice as well. But thank you. Oh dear, Paula, thank you so much. These are absolutely gorgeous. I love everything. It's just so me. If you've enjoyed looking at these with me, then as always, a thumbs up is very much appreciated. Any comments or questions in the comments down below, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. And if you want to join our little family, see what we get up to next, you can either press that subscribe button down in that corner or scan the QR code. I have a QR code. Wow. And it works because I've tried it. And subscribe to the channel and then you won't miss anything. It'll let you know when all my videos come out. So yeah, I am just so lucky. I'm blown away. Thank you so much. Paula, you're a treasure. And big Christmas hugs to you and Rocco. So thank you for stopping by, everybody. Take care. And I do hope to see you all again soon. Bye for now.